Dear students, we are going to discuss question Shatavana University 2017-18 question paper. Question 3rd B of CFA MCOM first semester. A Limited acquired a business of B Limited on 31st March 2012 for a purchase consideration of 25 lakh rupees to be paid by fully paid equity shares of 10 rupees each. The balance sheet of two companies on the date acquisition were as follows. Here we have the balance sheet for A company and B company. Next one, additional information. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of A Limited. When amalgamation is the nature of merger, also prepare the balance sheet of A Limited after amalgamation, assuming that the development rebate reserve and workmen compensation fund of B Limited are required to be continued in the books of A Limited. Now, solution. Journal entries. When amalgamation in the nature of merger, books of A Limited, journal entries, pro forma of journal entries. Next, first entry may be business purchase account data to liquidators of B Limited company, B Limited. 25 lakh rupees, 25 lakh rupees being purchase of business of B Limited. Next one for assets and liabilities, lands and building account, plant and machinery account, furniture account, stock account, and debtors account, and bank account as this amount. 8 lakh rupees, 18 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 4 lakh, and 1,70,000 rupees. Credit side. Current liabilities, development rebate reserve, workers compensation fund, and business purchase account. So as these amounts. Current liabilities 9,50,000 rupees, workmen compensation fund 2,40,000, development rebate reserve 3,70,000 rupees, and business purchase amount 25 lakh rupees. 25 lakh rupees. Being measure of assets and liabilities and reserves of B Limited with A Limited and difference transferred to journal reserve. Next, third entry, liquidators of B Limited account data are to equity share capital account 25 lakh and 25 lakh rupees. Being payment of purchase price by issue of 2,50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Now balance sheet of A Limited after amalgamation, equity and liabilities, shareholder funds equals to 5 lakh rupee. Here 5 lakh rupees, 25 and 25, that is equal to 5 lakh rupees. Reserves and surplus. General reserve 9,10,000 rupees. Development rebate reserve 4,70,000 rupees. Workmen compensation fund 3,90,000. Surplus 1 lakh. That means all together 18 lakh 70,000 rupees. Here it may be 50 lakhs. 25 lakhs. 25 lakh is equal to 50 lakhs. 50 lakh rupees plus 18 lakh is equals to 68 lakh 70,000 rupees total amount. And next one, non-current liabilities are nil. Current liabilities are 14 lakhs. 68,70,000 plus 14 lakh is equal to 82 lakh 70,000 rupees. Now asset side, fixed assets, lands and building 20 lakh rupees, plant and machinery 38 lakhs, furniture 3 lakh rupees,